Hello friends, in this problem a semicircle is given which is inside a triangle. So this is the triangle, ABC is the triangle, and inside this triangle we have this semicircle. Length BE is given, so this length is 3 unit, and length BD is given, that is 5 unit. Then we have to find the side length, that is length AC. So I will use some theorems of circle and Pythagoras theorem to solve this problem. So let us try to see how we can solve this problem. The first thing you can notice that this is the radius. Let's call this is R. And this is also radius of the semicircle. And this is also radius of the semicircle. This means OC is equals to OD, and this is also equals to OE, and this all equals to the radius R. Now let us consider triangle BOD, that is this triangle BOD. Now in this triangle this is 90 degree because this line is tangent to this semicircle. This is given in the problem. So this angle is 90 degree. And this length BO, this will be BE plus EO, and BE is 3 unit and this is R, so this is 3 plus R. I know this distance, I know this distance, and I also know this distance in terms of R. I can use Pythagoras theorem. So if I use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, that is triangle BOD, this is the hypotenuse because this side is in front of 90 degree angle. This means using Pythagoras theorem I can say BO square is equals to BD square plus OD square, that is OD square. Now let us plug the values. BO is how much? BO is 3 plus R, that is BO square is 3 plus R whole square. What is BD? BD is 5 unit, so this is 5 square. And OD is the radius, that is R, so this is R square. Now I can expand this. This is nothing but A plus B whole square. So if you expand A plus B whole square, this is basically A square plus B square plus 2AB. So A square is 9, B square is R square, and 2AB, that is 6 times R. And this side will have 5 square plus R square. Now this side you have R square and this side you also have R square, so these two R square will cancel. So what is left on the left hand side? So you will have 9 plus 6R. So this is 9 plus 6R. And right hand side you will have 5 square. That is 25. So 6R is equals to 25 minus 9, that is 16. And R is equals to 16 divided by 6. So this is the value of R. If you further simplify, this is 8 by 3. So now I know the value of the radius, that is small r, but we have to find AC. Now to calculate the length of AC, I will use one theorem from circle. Now notice that this point AC is a tangent on this line AC basically is a tangent on this semicircle. And AD is also tangent on this semicircle. So I can say from an external point A, two tangents are drawn on this semicircle. One is AC, another is AD. Now the theorem says from an external point, if two tangents are drawn to a circle, then their lengths are equal. That is AC is equals to AD. So now I can say AC is equals to AD. Let's call this length is equals to X. So now what is my BC? This length. This length is 3 unit, this length is R, and this length is R. So this is 3 plus R, that is 3 plus 2R. But we already know the value of R, that is 8 by 3. So this is 3 plus 2 times 8 by 3. So this is 25 by 3 unit. So now I know BC length. And this length is X and this length is X. So what is AB? AB is basically 5 plus x. Now let us consider triangle ABC. This is a right angle triangle because there is a 90-degree angle here. This is given in the problem. And this is the hypotenuse. So we can again apply Pythagoras theorem. So if I apply Pythagoras theorem, I can say ABS square is equals to ACS square plus BCS square. Now all the values are known in terms of x. AV is how much? AV is 5 plus x. So 5 plus x whole square. AC is how much? This distance is x. So this is x square. BC is how much? BC is 3 plus 2r. That is 25 by 3. So this is 25 by 3 whole square. Now I can expand. This is nothing but a plus b whole square. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square is 5 square. B square is x square plus 2ab is 10 times x. That is 2 times 5 times x, that is 10x. And this side you have x square and this is 625 by 9. This x square and this x square cancels out. So what is left? I will have left hand side 10x. And let us take 25 this side and subtract. Then this will be 400 by 9. So 0 and 0 cancels out. So x is equals to 40 by 9. So this side AC is basically equals to 40 by 9 unit. So I hope you like this problem, and if you like these problems, please share with your friends, like on my channel and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.